Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well, I've got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and put Cash App card on Uber Eats. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do is, first of all, is simply gonna go ahead, access a particular Uber Eats app on your mobile phone, and then afterwards you're gonna find this kind of interface, right? So if you would like to add your Apple Card as a paying method, you're gonna tap on this account option given below right corner, go to wallet, and you're gonna find this kind of interface. Right now, go ahead, tap on this option called add payment method, and here in this option you're gonna tap on this credit or debit card option below, and simply enter the card number of your Apple Card number of yours, and go and enter the expiry date, CVV number, choose your country, enter the nickname if you like. It's optional. If you don't, it doesn't matter anyways. Now tap on next. Now you will be able to add your Apple Card as one of the payment methods. So whenever you try to buy some food, you're gonna go to checkout section, and the payment section you're gonna choose this method as a payment method and simply pay it with that. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.